Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix 5G not working issue in this device. Simply go to settings. Now here you can see the option general. Tap on this one. Now scroll to bottom. Tap on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Okay. Now tap on the option reset. So here you can see some reset options. You can see here reset all settings, reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset handwriting style, like that. So to fix Wi-Fi 5G is not working issue, so we need to reset the network settings. For this, tap on the option reset network settings. So here we need to enter the passcode. Then again confirm this one, reset network settings. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah. Successfully it reset the network settings. So simply in this way you can fix 5G not working issue in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.